Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, we are going to do our two next pages. Page number 8 and page number 9. Start it from 8. Do you remember 0? Students, do you know what is 0? Let me tell you. 0 is a real number. If we put 0 at any place, it means there is no object or number present. Now, Amin has 4 soft toys in a bag. Amin has 4 soft toys in a bag. Amin has put no more toys in the bag. Now here, Amin has 4 toys in a bag. Amin put no more toys in the bag. When we add 4 in 0, we got our answer 4. Amin has taken no toys out of the bag. Amin has 4 toys and he take no toy out of the bag. So when we subtract 0 from 4, we got the answer 4. 0 is a special number because when we add 0 to a number, the number stays the same. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. So when we add 0 to any number, we got the same answer. When we subtract 0 from a number, the number stays the same. 5 subtract 0 is equals to 5. So when we subtract 0 from 5, we got the same answer. Amin has taken all 4 toys out of the bag. There are no toys in the bag. Amin has 4 toys and he take all of the 4 toys out of the bag. So when we subtract 4 from 4, we got the answer 0. Now go for the next page. Page number 9. Making 10. Here we are going to make 10 with all these numbers. Question number 1. Add the following. Students, do you remember what is addition? Let me tell you. The addition is the process of adding something. And we are going to add all these numbers using the number line. Point A. Here we have two numbers, 1 and 9. When we add 1 in 9, we got the answer 10. Point B. Students, this part is different. Here we have the answer and the second number. And we are going to find out the first number. Here we have the answer and the second number same. And we learned from the previous page that when we add something in 0, we got the same answer. So we are going to write 0 in this box. And when we add 0 in 10, we got an answer and the answer is 10. Point C. Here we have two numbers, 2 and 8. We are going to add these two numbers using the number line. Here our first number is 2. And we are going to find out the number 2 on the number line. Here's the number 2. Circle it. Our second number is 8. So we are going to jump over the numbers 8 times to the right. Start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we jump 8 times, we got our answer and the answer is 10. Write 10 in the box. Next one. Point D. Students, here we are going to find out our first number. Our second number is 6 and our answer is 10. Second number is 6, so we are going to find number 6 on the number line. Here's the number 6, circle it. Our answer is 10, so we are going to jump over the numbers till we get our answer 10. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here's the number 10. Now count how many times we jump. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We jumped 4 times to reach at 10. So our first number is 4. Write 4 in the box, which is our answer. Go for the next one. Here we have two numbers, 6 and 4. We are going to add these two numbers using the number line. Our first number is 6 and we are going to find number 6 on the number line. Here is the number 6, circle it. Our second number is 4 and we are going to jump over the numbers 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when we jump 4 times over the numbers, we got an answer and the answer is 10. Write 10 in the box. Go for the next one, F. Here we are going to find our first number. Our second number is 3 and our answer is 10. Our second number is 3 and we are going to find number 3 on the number line. Here is the number 3, circle it. Our answer is 10. So we are going to jump over the numbers till we get our answer 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the number 10. Now count how many times we jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We jumped 7 times to reach at 10. So our answer is 7. Write 7 in the box. Go for the next one. Point G. Here we have two numbers, 9 and 1. We are going to add these two numbers using the dots. Our first number is 9. So we are going to draw 9 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Our second number is 1. So we are going to draw 1 dot here. Let's count the dots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we add 9 in 1, we got answer and the answer is 10. Write 10 in the box. Next one, H. Here we have two numbers and we are going to add these two numbers using the dots. Our first number is 6, so we are going to draw 6 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Our second number is 4, so we are going to draw 4 dots here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now count all the dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So when we add 6 and 4, we got the answer 10. Write 10 in the box. Go for the next one. Point I. Here we have two numbers, 5 and 5. We are going to add these two numbers using dots. Our first number is 5, so we are going to draw 5 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our second number is 5, so we are going to draw 5 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now count all the dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So when we add 5 and 5, we got answer 10. Write 10 in the box. Next one. Point J. Here we have two numbers, 3 and 7. We are going to add these two numbers using dots. Our first number is 3, so we are going to draw 3 dots here. 1, 2, 3. Our second number is 7, so we are going to draw 7 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now count the dots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. When we add 3 and 7, we got the answer 10. Write 10 in the box. Next one. Point K. Here we have two numbers, 8 and 2. We are going to add these two numbers using dots. Our first number is 8, so we are going to draw 8 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our second number is 2. So we are going to draw 2 dots here. 1, 2. Now count all the dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we add 8 in 2, we got the answer 10. Write 10 in the box. Question number 2. Take away from 10. Students, do you know what is take away? Take away means we are going to subtract these questions using the number line. Point A. Here we have two numbers, 10 and 2. When we subtract 2 from 10, we got the answer 8. Point B. This part is different. Here we have the first number and our answer. We are going to find out our second number. Our first number is 10 and 10 is bigger. So we are going to find number 10 at the number line. Here is the number 10. Circle it. Our answer is 5. So we are going to jump over the numbers 5 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When we jump 5 times over the numbers, we get the answer 5. So 5 is our second number. Write 5 in the box. Next one. Point C. Here we have two numbers. First number is 10 and the second number is 6. We have to subtract these two numbers using the number line. Our first and bigger number is 10. And we are going to find number 10 on the number line. Here is the number 10. Circle it. Our second number is 6. And we are going to jump over the numbers 6 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we jump 6 times over the numbers, we got the answer 4. Write 4 in the box. Go for the next one. Point D. Here we have two numbers, 10 and 7. We are going to subtract these numbers using the number line. 10 number is bigger and we are going to find number 10 at the number line. Here is the number 10. Circle it. Our second number is 7 and we are going to jump over the number 7 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we jump 7 times over the numbers, we get the answer 3. Write 3 in the box. Next one. Point E. Here we have our first number is 10 and answer is 6. We have to find out our second number. 10 is bigger number, so we are going to find number 10 on the number line. Here is the number 10. Circle it. Our answer is 6 and we are going to jump over the numbers 6 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Students, when we jumped over the number 6 times, we got the answer 4. Write 4 in the box. Next one. Point F. Here we have our first number is 10 and our answer is 9. We have to find our second number. 10 is bigger number, so we are going to find out number 10 at the number line. Here is the number 10. Circle it. Our answer is 9. So we are going to jump over the numbers to the left 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So when we jumped 9 times, we got answer 1. Write 1 in the box. Next one. Point G. Here we have two numbers, 10 and 8. We are going to subtract these two numbers using dots. 10 is bigger number, so we are going to draw 10 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our smaller number is 8. So we are going to cut 8 dots from the bigger number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now count the remaining dots, 1 and 2. When we subtract 8 from 10, we got the answer 2. Write 2 in the box. Next one, point H. Here we have two numbers, 10 and 1. We are going to subtract these two numbers using dots. Our bigger number is 10, so we are going to draw 10 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our smaller number is 1, so we are going to cut 1 dot from the bigger number, 1. Now count the remaining dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we subtract 1 from 10, we got the answer 9. Write 9 in the box. Next one, point I. Here we have two same numbers, 10 and 10. We are going to subtract these numbers using dots. Our first number is 10, so we are going to draw 10 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our second number is 10 and we have to cut 10 dots from this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. When we subtract second number from first number, we got no dot remain. Now we have to put 0 here. Next one, point J. Here we have two numbers, 10 and 3. We are going to subtract these numbers using dots. 10 is bigger number and we have to draw 10 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our second number is 3 and we have to cut 3 dots from the bigger number. 1, 2, 3. Now count the remaining dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we subtract 3 from 10, we got the answer 7. Write 7 in the box. Point K. Here we have two numbers, 10 and 0. We have to subtract 0 from 10. We learned from the previous page, when we subtract 0 from a number stays the same. So we have to write 10 here. Students, our today's work is complete. You have to do it in very neat way. Stay at your homes, stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.